In our initial work, the two language communities, that is the Akpafu and the Lolobi, people told us plainly that they were two different languages. And so if we were really coming to do translation, then we need to do one for the Akpafu language, and then we do another one for the Siwu language.
At the start of the whole work, there were some fears since for some time there have not been any such cordiality between the two sections or the two people, that is the Akpafu and then the Lolobi.
So Gilbert's aim was actually not to unite this community, because we felt that was not our primary aim. Our primary aim was to actually ensure that we produce one Bible for these two communities.
In fact, the unity has stemmed out of that, because right from the formation of the committee which consists of members from Akpafu and Lolobi, there is unity. There is a degree of unity between them. When they meet, they deliberate on issues, they agree and disagree, argue, and at the end, agree.
It was a bit difficult, but finally the communities rallied behind the translation work, and we completed the translation in 2009, and we had a very grand launching ceremony. We did a launching at Lolobi, where we witnessed for the first time. It became like a unification festival, where all the chiefs from the Akpafu side joined the other chiefs from the Lolobi side. And it was at that dedication Durbar that the chiefs actually pledged that from henceforth they were going to unite in doing everything in common, because they have come to the realization that their language is one, and the age-old division that existed in these two communities, they were going to bury that division and come together.
When we dedicated the New Testament, it is then that I saw that this cordiality came to be. With the coming in of this project, we all came to understand that we are just one. So now we do everything in common.